Running a team with your husband is intense, but juggling life and real estate to make it all work is also gratifying. We love to strategize the best way to do things and bounce ideas off of one another. Bob's extensive knowledge of the building industry and pointing out the merits of a home are second to none. He is creative, funny, and understands people.
With over 40 years in the business of selling real estate, Sandra's experience is priceless. Her ability to set clear expectations for her services makes her a great listing agent. She knows how to get things done.
Caroline is laser focused and clients love her for her tenacity, her amazing advice, and for never giving up. Gail is creative and her flair for marketing homes and finding the right home for her buyers is amazing. We head up the Bolcar Team out of Montclair, New Jersey. Each team member offers a unique contribution to the group. We love working in the Montclair area as it's one of the leading towns in New Jersey where people want to move to. Our team mission is to elevate our clients' experience to the ultimate level.